You need higher and higher precisions and degrees of freedom to get more dexterity. It makes you appreciate, actually, the human body a lot more, because if you look at your hands, it's very simple, it's very intuitive, these motions that you do, but when you're trying to recreate those in a robot, you start realizing how complex, actually, the system really is. This is where you're going to start to see more actuators, more motors needed, more precision needed, and that's where our devices come into play.
Hi, I'm Parker Conroy from Apptronik.
Hi, and I'm Errol Leon from Texas Instruments. So Parker, tell us a little about Apptronik.
Apptronik is a company formed in 2016, coming out of the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas in Austin. And we started originally working on programs like the NASA Valkyrie program, producing actuators. And so through producing a variety of different actuators, we're on our almost 60th design now. We've produced 8 different versions of humanoid robot, and that's what we're showing today.
TI has been in the robotics space since the proliferation of industrial robots. Some of the key focus areas back then and even now is precision motor control, precision sensing, and functional safety, right? Which is becoming even more and more important being humanoid.
So in 2024, we started working with you because we thought that culmination of your safety expertise and our experience of bringing humanoids out into the world came together so well. We've designed Apollo to be a robot that's really approachable, a robot that you want to work with on a day-to-day basis. And so for that to be true, we need some innovative safety technologies. We needed safety-rated controllers, we need dual channel control, we need all the things that you saw in collaborative robots, but now in, we think, a much more exciting form factor. As you start to interact more around people in public-facing environments like retail, or you go further and you go into working in hospitals, or you work in elder care, or even as you go all the way to working in the home, you have more and more requirements from safety, each of those progressive ways. So we're excited to start in industry with a lot of our strong partners, and we're going to grow from there all the way into the home.
What kind of use cases do you guys see with humanoid versus other types of robots?
We're really excited to first start with humanoids in industrial environments. So we're doing a lot of kitting applications, a lot of tool tending applications, really anywhere where there's kind of dull or dirty or dangerous work. So because of the dexterous hands, because of the legs, it's able to go into areas without a lot of changing of those areas, as opposed to what a traditional robot would need to do.
Tell us something interesting about Apollo.
Apollo has 32 degrees of freedom, which means that it has a huge number of actuators in it. With each of those actuators, we have our own mechanical sections and also all of the electronics where we find a lot of safety technology, like the kind we get from TI.
In Apollo, TI provides the real-time MCU, the gate driver, and precision current sensing. And this actually is to help control all the different motors within the system. There needs to be small packages for all this solution to fit within that form factor. And this is where TI is providing those smaller package size solutions to enable this within those different actuators. On top of that, functional safety is needed. And that's where a lot of our devices, right? We have a variety of functional safe devices. And then what our team also does is we're able to provide a subsystem solution with a sort of architecture that has like functional safety in mind.
It was great working with you and Apollo, and definitely looking forward to the bright future we see within robotics working together.